Hello, everybody. This presentation is about case study of uniqueness of Indian business organizations. See, basically, these are the organizations we come across huh, in India in our day-to-day life or in our neighborhood, right? See, specifically, this is about the uniqueness of Indian business organizations. Uniqueness of Indian organizations. What is the uniqueness of these specific companies? See, basically, this case study consists of two parts. This is the part one of the video, right? And part two, there is one more video. So basically, in each of these two parts, I have discussed. Part one consists of 10 companies, right? Similarly, part two consists of another 10 companies. So these are the Indian business organizations, and what is the uniqueness of these companies we will learn, right? So that uniqueness can be their strength, or it can be their one of the success factor, or of the company, or it can be their strength as well, or strength as well, right? So let's move on, and as part of this part one, we will learn about what is the uniqueness of the organizations such as Reliance Fresh, Pizza Hut India, HP Gas, Colgate Palmolive, Apollo Pharmacy. Right, some of the companies I have considered, even they may be abroad-based companies. However, they are there. Their presence is there in India for a very long time. Right, so those companies also have considered. Right, so other companies are like Bata, Camlin, Cafe Coffee Day, Chutney's Restaurant, Maruti Services and Service Center. So like this, different type of organizations. What is the uniqueness of these companies? We will learn as part of this session. Right. So basically, this is basically an experiential based case study, experiential based case study. Either I have visited these organizations at some point or the other, or I am the user. I used their product at some point of the other in my life. Right. So this is basically an experiential based case study. Okay. So let's move on and learn about what is the uniqueness about Reliance Fresh. What is the uniqueness about Reliance Fresh? Basically, so Reliance Fresh stores, they will be in our neighborhood, right? They are the convenience stores near to the residential areas. They will be located. Their location will be near to the residential areas, and also to compare with other supermarkets, their prices are a bit lower end to compare with Tata Star or Spencer's or any other bigger supermarkets. Their price range is bit low cost products, right, to compare with other players, right. And another thing is variety of products they will have. They will have all price ranges products, variety of products we will be having. And one more thing is uniqueness is the combo packs. For example, no, they will keep different combo packs. The regular combo packs will be some of the wafers packages, biscuits combo packs. Similarly, toiletries, talcum powders combo packs. Similarly, cleaning kits. Like this, different. These are the regular combo packs. Reliance Fresh. Usually they keep in their stores, right? And also, one more uniqueness is they keep loose items in the, for example, somebody wants to take whatever is the quantity they wanted to take, for example, dal, rice, the essential goods, right, or any other sugar kind of items they want to take, different dals they want to take, pulses they want to take, they can be taken as loose items. That also they keep in their store. So another one is usually, they give, preferred customer loyalty card they give, and every visit, you get some points for it, right. Bonus points will be added to your card, right. So, and these bonus points you can redeem after in your next visit, or after some time, after few days, right. They give cash discount. For example, your bonus points are 200 bonus points you are having, and 200 rupees they will deduct from your bill amount, and they will swipe the card, right. So like that, this is some of the uniqueness of the Reliance Fresh, right. So let's move on and learn about what is the uniqueness of Pizza Hut India. See, basically, Pizza Hut, when they came to India, they have customized the products to the Indian region, to the Indian region, Indian customers. So they have included both veg, non-veg items in their menu, And also, for example, veg menu, if you take, paneer pizza is one of the one which they have customized. And also I think they are having some tandoori related items also in their menu. So like that they customized their menu, to the Indian region, Indian community, right? So let's move on and learn about another uniqueness, another company. What is the another company? That is HP Gas. See, basically HP Gas, you might have observed over a period of 20 years or 30 years, how is the development, no, refill booking, how it is used. Earlier, way back in 20 years, 25 years ago, you have to go visit the dealer and then give your customer number and, book the refill. Right. Now, how it in two buttons, pressing, even you don't have to enter your customer code also. If you call from your phone number, it will directly ask you which one you want to book. Do you want to book a refill immediately? By pressing one button, no, they will give you, this is your booking code. That is, they automated the process. They automated the refill booking process. All customer process they automated. No, if you have some complaint, service request you are having, through telephone you can book it. Technician will come after that, right? So they automated most of the services through telephone, right? And also enter customer interface, and also payment also nowadays they have made it online. They will send a link. Once you book the refill, they will send a SMS. In that link will be there, that payment link. Payment also is automated, right? That is over a period of time. HP, refill booking they made it easy. Customer interface is easy nowadays. It is easy using telephone, right? So let's move on. And what are the uniqueness of other product? Colgate Palmolive. See, Colgate, every, how is the market share of in India, Colgate, lot of market share, right? So they have different variants of the Colgate toothpaste, for example, Veshikti or, herbal, similarly, Colgate Salt, Strong Teeth, see, triple action gel, different, Colgate strong teeth is also there. So like this, different variants of the products they are launching, different flavors of the product they are launching, and also different quantities they are selling. 100 grams. For example, strong teeth, they will have 2 3 quantities will be there within the strong teeth category. So like this, different quantity of the product, different variants of the product they are launching. Right, that is the, based on the customer affordability or the customer taste, no, they can take it. Right, that is one of the uniqueness of Colgate toothpaste. So let's move on, learn about Apollo Pharmacy. So what is the uniqueness of Apollo Pharmacy? This is very important. For example, some customer is, very urgent about some medicine, right? So if that specific medicine is not available in the branch where customer visited, immediately if he asks the sales executive there sitting there, he can search over the online and he will tell you what is the nearest branch, Apollo branch, where this specific product is available readily. If he drives down to 2 3 kilometers to that branch, he can collect it. They will tell the exact location where is this specific branch. Right. So that is the facility. The specific product is not available in the store. They will immediately advise you in this branch this specific product is available. This branch is this product is available. Like that, they are advising. That is one of the uniqueness. So similarly, they also give loyalty points to the customer or cash discounts sometimes on billing. 10% or some percentage they will give cash discount. Similarly, they keep discounted products. Toiletries, other juices, fruit juices and all, and they keep discounted price. May not be fast moving products. Some products they keep it on discounted. Right. This is uniqueness of Apollo Pharmacy. So what is the uniqueness of Bata? So we know this is there in India for more than 50 years. I think this company is operating. See what is their uniqueness is fixed printed price of the product. On each product they print the price, fixed printed price. There is no bargaining in the price, right? And also quality and durability of the product is also proven. And also nowadays in showroom they are keeping a separate specific dedicated region for children's. For children product they are keeping a separate dedicated area for the children purpose in their stores. And also what is the another uniqueness is measurement, accuracy in the product size. They follow, the if your size is measurement is one size, specific size, even after 2 years you visit, same size will fit you. right? So that is the measurement, accuracy in measurement, accuracy in the product what they develop, right? That is the uniqueness of Bata, right? Let's move on and about Camlin. So this is, I think, in school education, children, everybody might have used this Camlin product. Majority they use it, right? Since it is there from my childhood also, right? What is its uniqueness? Accuracy in the product measurement, accuracy in the dimensions. You never see any variation in the whatever is the measurement scale they are providing, or any other instruments they are providing. You won't see any deviation. The accuracy in the measurements. Similarly, reliability of the instrument. Usually, when students are, somebody is going for examination, they may carry 2 or 3 pens, but they carry only one measurement box, one measurement box. Why? Because they trust that product, right? So they may carry 2 3 pens, but they carry only one measurement box, every student, right? So that is the one of the uniqueness of this product, right? Let's move on and learn about what is Cafe Coffee Day. So this no little bit it experienced challenges in the recent past. However, what is their uniqueness? They do the sourcing from the local areas, raw material from the country. I think they have their own tea gardens in Tamil Nadu, some parts of Tamil Nadu, in other regions. They procure the raw material from the within the country, domestic procurement. Similarly, their uniqueness is in their containers and the cleanliness what they maintain of the containers, right? And quality of the brew, and the balance they maintain between the product price, what is the quality of the product they are giving, and the customer value, what is that they are delivering, right? They maintain the balance between these three parameters: what is the product price, what is the quality of the product, and what is the customer value they are delivering, right? So that is the uniqueness of the Cafe Coffee Day. So let's move on, learn about another organization. See, these are all the different industries I have considered. Some of the are food industries, some of them are in there in other beverages industries, some of them are there in automobile industry. Like this, different industries I have taken examples. Right, some in another video, I think the petroleum industry is also there. Right, so different industries I have considered, and what is their uniqueness, and banking and financial services industry, like this. Right, so what is the uniqueness of Chetty's restaurant? See, in Chetty's you might have visited, right? So the chutneys are more, that is secondary product. Main course, whatever you order, idli or dosa or whatever you order, that is secondary. What is primary is the variety of the chutneys. They provide coconut chutney, dal chutney, ginger chutney, like this different type of chutneys. That means the main course is secondary for them, and other supplementary products or add-on products are primary. Add-on products are primary. That is the uniqueness of chutneys, right? So let's move on and learn about another establishment, that is Maruti Service Center. See, we might have visited all these organizations at some point or the other, right? So what is the uniqueness of Maruti Service Center? In Maruti Service Center, if you observe, most of them they maintain. Not only in service center, they maintain in their insurance branch also, insurance division also. They maintain a dashboard, workman dashboard. What is the how many works are allotted, how many are completed, what is in progress. They maintain a workman dashboard in the service center, in the garage they maintain, and also in the insurance office where they are having telecallers and other people. There also they maintain a workman dashboard, right? So that is one of the Maruti dealers, they practice it. So, and other one is, what is the when we go to drop the vehicle, they give you an estimate. This is the approximate amount of your servicing of the vehicle, right? They give you an estimate, and then they will take the vehicle, right? And during the servicing, if any spare part is to be replaced, they will call the customer and confirm the price and take the customer's acceptance. Then they will put that, replace that spare part. That is one of the another, in the during the servicing, in the middle of the day, they call the customer. And another thing is, you can sometimes these service centers, they will come to the customer place to pick up the vehicle, or after servicing is done, they will deliver to the customer home, right? This is one of the uniqueness of these Maruti service centers, right? So far we have learned about what is the uniqueness of 10 different establishments, right? So we learn all all these in our day-to-day life, right? We visit the stores and we observe, these can be one of some of their strengths are there, some of the success factors, right? So watch the another part 2 is also there. In part 2 I have explained about what is the uniqueness of some more 10 more companies, right? Thank you, thank you everybody.